about Northeast St. Elizabeth. Remember, she just come back. She just come down after Mike and flag her properly, you know. And the way how she speak on behalf of the PNP, people, boy, we have sense. I go laugh after her and make she say, yo, you know, that lady really power hungry, because while she try to create a thing for the MP to say, the constituency is not only comprised of Santa Cruz Division, but also Balaclava and Silo and all them type of speeches there. Let me tell you something. People of Jamaica will hear she say, the People's National Party had been MP for Northeast St. Elizabeth from 1989 to 2020. You know what? They never lose, regardless of losing MP since 1989.
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
They have not lost the municipality of St. Elizabeth from them the time till now, from way back in the 80s till now. So even with us having a member of parliament representing the Jamaica Labour Party, a 3-1, 3 councillors PNP, 1 councillor JLP. You see the areas that are PNP dominated, it does not has a lot of MP breakdown or failure in terms of performance. You know where you can find a lack of councillor performance, because when you come in the communities and you traverse, besides the main and the little glitches them in the main house, you see when you turn off, at this you get to see the real plight of situations generally, both infrastructure, socio-economic background, and all of that. And she don't know nothing about that, because she should have actually shame to come represent the People's National Party done so. If you know, say half of Northeast St. Elizabeth, bright young men and women are no longer residing in Northeast St. Elizabeth, not because they only want to better themselves, but also because the PNP since 1989 would have never came up with an alternative job hub besides that of the then Appleton Estate sugarcane factory, which would have closed a part of its wing and then lessened its operations, therefore laying off a portion of workers. That means the constituency was always expanding in numbers. You know, more youths are becoming unattached, and then with that now, that closure, you would have imagined that the unemployment percentage would have doubled, or in some cases tripled. Now people would ask, then how they must survive in the area? Good question. Well, just like most areas in Jamaica, if I never for the game, we would have seen the real plight of some of them areas, yeah, where underdeveloped for years, we could have seen more. You understand what I say? And for the fact that we still suffer from such a high unemployment percentage, and we still suffer from brain drain, you must understand that the community not really have a lot to offer in terms of amusement nor sports. Nothing major in a sports, nothing major in a entertainment other than the average man keep him event, or the average woman keep her event. Nothing major than there to hook the people them. Not even one part-time 9 to 5 not there as alternative out of the political system then of the PNP. I'm going to land in 30 seconds by naming the MP them and them. Roger Clark, Kern Spencer, Basil Wade, Evan Redman, and Raymond Price, most of which would have had ministerial posts, and them have no legacy left behind. And anybody who wants to say they did things, alright, they did things, but what's the significance of what they would have done that remains today that is significantly impacting the community, our communities as a whole? Nothing.
Wow. So
that's crazy though.
Question though. Like when you read 7 o'clock, how that community look? Ghost town.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Every bar owner can tell you. Every bar owner within this terrain, both on the main and off the main, can tell you. Majority of them profit sometimes come only in the night or towards the night, meaning the late evening heading into the night would have been when they start to see some little profit, they can feel inspired, they open another day. How much time you hear them ask, boy, you hear them say, I don't make $1 from man, I don't make $1 from day. I wait on the evening, I will start a little sale. However, restaurants are generally all places that sell food or food items or things that you prepare food does not always share the same thing as a bar. But nonetheless, you have to look at all mediums we create employment, because as somebody has to go work on the bar counter and she have a family to write, sir. Yes. So we can't downplay it. Yeah, we can't degrade it and downplay it like say, because the area itself does not offer. But the area not offer no alternative form. So
because majority, you know what go down there? Taxi, because majority of the people will live. Well, I know. Majority of the people will live at Senti, Afigo, Mandeville.
Well, you're right, Ross. You're right. But
them have to go Mandeville.
To the amount of money when you have no other alternative, you must imagine the amount of money run taxis. So sometimes them boss and then make nothing because they enough on the road themselves.
Yeah. Because them have to transport people from Senti to Mandeville. Yeah.
Yo, Planks, is it true Jamaica they near to the, you mean St. Elizabeth near to tourism capital? I mean, more can be done to link St. Elizabeth with Montego Bay and even the part of Westmoreland with the tourist activity rampant, because St. Elizabeth can offer what you call ecotourism, you know what I mean? So unlike Dundas, we provide the beaches and all them luxury there, St. Elizabeth, especially them part of Northeast, can offer ecotourism, you know? It's like, you know, the hills, the hills, them have some nice views and them thing them more time. You know them way they plan?
Yeah.
Tourists love some look at unusual sight and them thing there. So different from the beach and the thing them and the hotel them. You know them not like it. There's some like ecotourism up them side there too. At least that's something I feel still, you know?
Can't work out, man. It call investment, you know? Cause one of the time, you know, me have it in my intention to come open a skate land. To get somewhere and try to see me can open a skate land down a Santa Cruz, you know. You hear me, idiot?
Me hear, man.
One of the time me that come open a skate land down there, man, because
you can still do it, man.
Down there, dead. No, sir. Why would I do it in a Mandeville? I St. Elizabeth where I talk about. When my son live, more develop.
Okay.
You understand? So more my son live off of my legacy. Just the same. Him can grow up, come have a business where he can employ people and do things with people. It's a little youth, but him have good heart.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man, more clear, more ear for the would I like to clear up more ear for the MP to call Plank. We have to make it clear for people understand and break it down. Plank, not the St. Elizabeth Plank are the third largest parish in Jamaica. You see, Northeast St. Elizabeth, me I assume say I one of the largest constituents to them in Jamaica. I never say the largest, but it big your fuck. You understand me, Plank? I talk about Santa Braids River, Ilem, Bogue, Silo, Aberdeen.
Yeah.
Part of this, part of this. So
Burn,
when me pre now plan, it's impossible for the MP, regardless of vote, come from everywhere, every angle. Although you know when somebody division them to become MP, but the difficult plan when time you know have councillors up at them place to hear the immediate concerns of people. Remember your phone go ring by them with your immediate space and your businessman. Either eat the bird now for you. So they will be more sympathetic for one. Remember, we did have a pandemic right after the man get elected or during the time that he got elected. So he couldn't get to be effective as him that want. You understand me? That I want. Two, the MP is a first time born on this side of this side. MP, the man born at St. Elizabeth, him go to Manco College. He have businesses in St. Elizabeth. He never hide himself from St. Elizabeth people. The man still make himself available. But people should be more discretionable with how them try to bring down the man thing. The division so rotted big. And the man, the JLP send how much a councillor all over the place. And nothing PNP not have to show for the years with a councillor them with them a whole. And then not even that get 2 other new JLP councillor a try. But everybody want to come together. Them and then councillor come bash the MP. So you know the councillor.
Off at Philadelphia International Airport, PHL.
Go on, man. I'm a phone attack, man.
The councillor them underperform, trick the people and say they not get no money from government because none of them in a power. Me know of personally one of the councillor will tell people say, through another government, the team government in a power, they not to give no money to spend, which is a fat
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
They soon go to prison, you know, idiot.
But
They soon go to prison.
yo, the man, yo, them to stop with them at the bro, them to stop mistreat and misrepresent the people, them and tell lie and pocket the money them. Y'all tell the people them say because I know your government in a power, you not get no money to spend. Every councillor get their money. Whether I'm a JLP or I'm a PNP, every MP getting money, whether I'm a PNP or JLP. But you see, just like how we know it, gullible illiterate people, they're exposed to any type of information, misleading or factual. It just a matter how should them stick.
Why you don't try to run for your council in your constituency? Because
Then
you
they
have
not give me tell her that me mean the first thing the party don't have a body in this party as St. Elizabeth they active. Then don't eat the body, the party don't have an active body. Don't you so? The PNP have an active body don't you so for the youths them. But me don't know of the youth thing in terms of politics. I may never say no exist in a plan. But for sure say a man like me actively man,
Yes, sir.
I hear about it. I hear about the youth arm thing. Then so I mean, about it more one time. I would have joined it, volunteer.
We tell you about it already, man. Sometimes it not because they down there, no, but it can be a man devil. So search, man.
You have a
Check it out,
MP. You have a MP which is you have a Labour right MP 1 down there.
Of course.
Yeah.
Well,
More than
you
one.
need to go to him. You need to go to him. You need to have a dialogue with him.
Long. We
you
tried
know,
already.
We
never
even
play
tell
issue.
him to check out the shot, you know.
Him no really like saying no value my opinions or views, you know. But he no understand the passion I may have besides that the MP thing. Me have a passion for Jamaica and me also have a passion for the Labour Party system. So him probably wouldn't understand them combination of factors there. Because I really don't want to become a part of the Labour Party body where support any MP or councillor where they put down here. Seeing that we have first-hand experience on the ground. You get me now?
Yeah, you would be because
Yeah, you
to
talk
get
about that already, bro.
to be a councillor. To be a councillor, my brother.
Why you start over again?
If you be a councillor, you have to get to the MP, man. Cause you have it, idiot. You have it. Yo,
Plan, me get to him, plan. Me get to him, you know, man. But me have to say difficult plan. This is the division too big, and the part them we not control, and the part them to me we hold the key. This is the part them we don't necessarily control with councillor to get the real support because I mean they not the man do perform up as the same way, you know. But you can't expect him to come back on the councillor work and that them not understand. Him do it man plan, but me I show you. It is due to the fact say he my first timer and so much thing depend on him and him still a businessman. Me no thinking can get fi give me the support that me want. So at the party now, I have to set up a system in place.
We tell you can join the G2K, bro.
Yeah, you
Can
can
be a
join
part
it.
of the
You can join
G2K.
you can be a part of G2K for real. But
I will tell you.
as I tell you,
Now you
you have a
talk about
powerful
that already.
voice. You have a powerful voice, and you love your country, you love your community,
Yeah, man.
and you want to work with them. Go at it.
And him
Go at it,
son
man.
young too.
Passionate, man. Invite
Yeah,
us every.
I mean, I go in with too long, and you know, I go in with some little steak seed or something like. Me I go in with too long,
I
and
will tell you, General, you can go in and improve on yourself, man. There are always space for improvement, you know.
Cause we tough on data collection, you know. We tough on data collection.
I'll tell you,
We have
man,
person principle
find
of
out
business.
if you get
Yo,
to
if you
going
want
to
to,
the
not to name
G2K,
them.
bro. Talk to you
Yeah.
already, man. Go on like you not listen, so.
Listen to me. Me I gonna give you advice, and maybe it's a good advice, but it's just a advice. Talk to when you see truck, when you're in our next, not truck, when you're in our next chopper and the man, you
But you
talk
follow
to chopper.
Chopper?
Yeah, man.
We
You
don't know
talk
if
to
him
chopper.
follow. We don't know if him
Yeah,
follow
man.
Chopper.
Oh,
Yeah,
God,
man.
sweetest, man.
Yeah,
Not
man.
man. You
That's
really
a-
have
that's
to
a-
follow
We
Chopper,
don't know,
man.
bro. But
Just
just
Yeah,
ask, you know, just a question.
yeah, man. No feel no way see it, man. I'm gonna say me can't be say you not feel like me.
Yes, man, and it's not a rhetorical question. It's not.
Yo, you just make
Yeah, man.
chopper
I follow
know.
the general them, man. I follow
Yeah.
Chuck Finley and the whole of the
Yeah, man. So
stand-up.
you can
Everybody.
even
Even-
one-on-one with
e-
Chop same way. You
Even
see?
with politics have politics know people too. Who are your MP down there, idiot?
Yeah, man. Mr. Slowly, man. Action, man.
All right. So
man.
them chopper and politics might be have a link to him. So when you know link, you know the thing go. Me know a man and you know a man. A man you will closer to a man so we can introduce him to that man.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So all you
Right.
need to do is talk to chopper or politics. Because I think politics come from Clarendon side.
Right. Somewhere down at that side. Me
You
nah
know
know
what
Right.
plan
things
to do,
some
man?
lesser.
We plan to write up one letter.
But
And anytime the Prime
what I
Minister
can
come to
tell
the
you
area,
to do, try get to the G2K.
Yeah, man. Because
Same.
G2K they all over, you know, so you can give
Right.
them
Right.
first in the division there.
Right.
Which
So
is
if you go to G2K, you know, you have to prove to them your talent.
not that alone.
Alright.
Me have people where more capable than me. So me no selfish that for even get carried away. Say, yeah, man, me a
Alright.
people back at me to a capable too.
Look,
So it's a
look,
big
look.
body with a bill for them down there too.
Alright.
You see me? Cause the youth them there too, we support them feel left out. Me not tell no lie. And I mean, by misrepresentation, that me mean like them that want actively be more involved in the shaping of choices and policies to benefit the communities. You know what I mean? So, yo, Jaja, it gonna happen still. Me just want that. Me just want me general get a second stint still. You see me?
See somebody in the comment and say you have to do it, man. I know we alone and say you have to do it, brother. Somebody in the comment and say you have to do it, man. You have a powerful voice, man. And if you go up on a stage, man, people will listen to you, man. When I touch your mic, it sound like bounty killer.
Yeah, yo, Black the easy, you start.
Yeah, man.
A real
One voice and the done voice, man. What you say, idiot? Man, guess when you come on the platform and you talk, brother, and you orchestrate your statement, brother. It's sink, you know.
Yeah, man. Them voice
It's
are like
sink, you know.
soft like K1 in Uplank. You have a powerful
Bad man.
voice to in Uplank, but
Me know that. Listen to me. You see anything when me going on, brother, me going on it with a passion, you know.
yeah,
Anything
man.
me do it with a passion, you know, brother. You understand? We can be on the nice side and we can be on the rough side.
Yeah, cause me hear you on live at about you defend woman.
Yeah, man, me's a defender woman, man. Me don't like see people abuse. Me don't like see man abuse if a woman, man. You're mad, man.
You have to know you had a plan. Come like
Alright,
one
let me
time.
tell you.
Come like one time in a plan. Me did I look this girl, but me don't know what say man this brother did there. So while me stand up to the girl, I talk with the girl, the brother drive up and like him a call the girl and like him a get heated like come here no man and Ray, is it? So me I say, brother, I talk to you man, someone. You see me like you want to lick you man. You can't lick your man in front of me, you know. Is I say,
Yeah, man.
After that, me I look into it and I say, you know, me out of order. Really
So
out of
if
order,
MP
man.
get a second stint, I'm sorry if I interrupt you. Me
No,
promise the
man,
Labour
talk your
Party me
talk,
can
man.
carry in this a seat as a the first time as a councillor. You know. Me can promise the Labour Party say anyhow the MP get a second stint. Me personally, all if me no go up as the councillor, me personally can make sure say we rally troops behind a successful JLP councillor. Yeah, me that try show the one we come there the way to go, but I mean time did depend on him shoulder. And next thing, me feel like the council them need to start come out of the areas them or close to the areas them where them a try the
No,
councillor for.
your councillor if you come from your constituency, you know.
Yeah. Well, it not happen in this area, yeah.
Alright,
Unfortunately.
so me tell you how some councillor go on. You say once them get your vote, sometime if I for them sake, you know, bro, me I tell you God Almighty true. You see some my councillor them if I for them sake, some people we not vote, bro.
Yeah,
Certain
yeah.
place them not go. Me I tell you.
Because when me a youth, you know, I gotta show you a ball. So when me a youth, me used to go one yard because from me a youth, you know, man. Me I tell about 10, 11 years old, you know. Me love run back a woman, you know. Anyway, pretty woman, then me there no sweet tips.
Yeah, man.
And this
I mean,
brother,
that's
you
the
know,
one.
this brother I have 3 daughters down a yard, 2 a female and 1 a no female. And me I tell her say, you know, me dog at that the yard every day, you know. Yeah, man, and anytime he come, man, me have to left, man, him no want to go in a yard and in this and in that, and he run way out of yard. Me and my brother, and God forbid, he go town councillor. I never vote for him yet. and make, you think I joke me, make? Me say when in town councillor, man, I never vote for him. Me prefer to vote none at all, brother.
Yeah.
And when they take a councillor from him, man.
Me I tell you, me I tell you, bro.
Because we grew up around you and all you do is run with from your yard.
Yeah.
And now you come town councillor. We not vote for you. We not vote for you.
Man, politics come like teacher, politics come like police and nurse. You say if you don't love people, them actions will frustrate you. Mix with your personal
people person.
You have to be a people person because if you're bossy or you're not that, because you can boss and you're a people person, you probably cannot show off and be a people person. But when you're not a people person.
Alright, so when you do politics, there's no need to show off because well, you need the support. And people are put you in a job. And people hire you and people fire you.
May I tell you, what go on? All the man selfish, brother. The man have an open back van. And you know, in our community, then time there, you know, you walk a road, you go school, you walk a Linstead, and you, man, we all drive past, you know, man. The man have an open back. So you know what the man do? You remember the covering for the open back van?
Yeah, man.
The man buy one cover. You can't have them on the van, brother. You can't have them. Remember, you see all a van come and you say, blood clean, a van come and you're happy van. Yeah, I say, but you're happy van, you know. And when you're happy van and you reach your destination, you drive and know say you're happy van, you know, because you're depending, you know. Because you might go slow down at your destination. That the man, they not slow down, brother. You're mad.
Drop off call.
Me, right?
And come on, your vote.
I know he on town council. Me nah vote for him. All in that I said, Damien and my father, me say me nah vote for him.
A real talk, man.
You understand? So you know that a councillor election. You understand? Me nah vote for him, man. Me prefer to vote, man. So, yeah, bless. Yeah. Yeah, so me understand, idiot.
Yeah, man, being a councillor, man, you get some untimely and night phone call where you probably not like. You know what I mean? You get phone call and some untimely business where you do were separate from politics. You might get phone call when you're there in a church or just the nature of your role.
Yes, man. You have
You
to be
know?
a business person, brother.
You have to answer the phone. You have to answer the phone and say, "A church, me, I know, me can't talk." The person you're calling don't necessarily knows they're in a church. Or the person
No.
you're calling don't necessarily know what you do. So when you answer them in a certain way, like you ask them, say you do this, and nobody can know what you do.
I'm
And
not
then
gonna tell you something more again. You see all JP work. Oh no, I nice work too, you know. JP. To be a JP, brother.
Yo,
Them,
JP used to be selfish, you know.
them
JP
can be
used to do.
selfish. And sometimes I'm not really selfish, you know, because sometimes they don't know you. So then definitely not do it. Because there are restriction on JP thing, you know.
Not again. Not again. Not again. I
See?
think they lift that restriction there, you know.
Okay.
If you come out of one community, you're not supposed to go to the next community. Cause they used to have hey, me I
Alright.
want JP. Me listen to me, man. When me I grew up, you know, you have one JP, you know, near Miss Duwaya, you know, brother. In my community, you know. If you are no PNP that the woman then nah say nothing for you. Oh,
Shadow. Hey, people suffer under the hands of politics still, you know.
man. Me say,
Jaja.
me go for when me a little boy, me just gonna get my first passport, you know. And my mother send me down there with the picture them for the woman side, you know. Human want know my background, you want know everything about me. I want lady where the name is Beans. I have to tell the woman, say me know him, man.
Jaja.
Him for me as a little boy. That's why me can't like PNP.
I show man, I feel the hands of them too, man. See PMP? Blur. Nah, PMP no good. PNP
Me not
is no good.
individual people, you know, PNP party, you know. You understand? Me can't like them, brother. They
And them
suffer
know too,
people.
you know, you think them no know? PMP
Yeah.
know so them are nothing but
Because,
shaving
because
cream, you know.
me have a lot of PNP brethren and PNP friends, but the party, the whole people them when we grew up, yo, that's why
Bad
they
mind,
dance so
man.
all of them in a them party hole.
Bad mind. Jaja.
Them the people.
We have until 7:30, guys, isn't it?
Yeah, truth.
We are close out 7:30. Same.
Mm. Truth is, you know, the most poorest and vulnerable in society look to the PMP. The lie is PMP care for them. It's a big lie. Actually, PMP strive on the back of these people by keeping them poor on their knees and desperate, moving with food and social benefits, therefore making themselves seem to be God and the Savior who come to save the day. All because me so broke and needy, house empty, picnic want food, shoes and clothes and school bag. The PNP MP create no jobs employment, no mediums for entice business people to come in and start up businesses, keep these people poor on their knees, give them social benefits, which is for the people anyways, but always a counterproductive strategy whenever time the people them now maximize it in the right way. Good example is when they need to exploit the part money by taking it for do other than schooling for them picnic. You know what I mean? So in some cases, even the same social benefits to me inspire poverty or a poverty-like mentality. You hear me explain that? So because a girl or a nigga together not have nothing and everybody deserve to have a youth or I find them get a youth, you know the most trying times financially and probably otherwise. Then probably live in a one dilapidated structure and still broke and get a youth, thank God. And then the youth probably not reach 1 year old. But here goes this couple again in the same financial status and the same dilapidated house. Here goes this couple again heading off to the hospital to go give birth, see another baby. All right, God good as always because man to get a youth. God make you have a child again as a couple and still not do nothing to better the situation. You know what these people do? Them find MPs and them find councillors because they cannot find business people. You understand? So them find MPs and councillors. Whilst the social benefits are for people and them forget it, the people then, however, use them head. Much as they're illiterate also, they use their head and tell themselves, oh, as long as they're Jamaica hungry can't kill you. Government will feed you. When you grow up in America, they say, if you can't feed you, give government. If you can't control you, give government. Two things them always say. If you can't feed, you give government. And if you can't behave yourself, you give government. Them time that thing they behavior, they inspire mentality over time and make people feel complacent in their hardship and don't want to work their hardest bumbuckler but best out of the situation. You dig me? You give them complacency in the situation, and that's why we keep on see one girl or one nigga or two of them together so poor, but them have a 6 pitney. Because kindness are what they take for granted. They not work, so what could I bet them a survive? A people kindness. But what harm is the kindness get taken for granted. So they create a mindset for saying, yeah, hear me? If they help me out with this one, and then we help me out with the next one. So, and it keep on inspire a culture amongst people across the island. And then together, them become a big burden to the social benefits, although people are entitled to the benefits them when the government to give back to them. But what may I say is some people override it, but typically are the more illiterate and destitute of people override social benefits the most and shape a culture of poverty in the country. Remember. From both sides of the party too. This got be two sides of the people them now. We never talk like a PNP alone. Because you have labor rights who have the same mentality too, and we are trying to advise people say, yo, that mentality they not right, they call it counterproductive and they not be enough fruit. You know what I mean? Because it force me I have to pay more tax. And that it do. It force me I have to pay more tax to make the government can have a bigger money in the social benefits we can give back to these people who refuse to better themselves out of the situation. It force more tax from me in your pocket and we don't realize I probably don't know.
Not what you say, you're not wrong, but I'm going to correct you upon a word where you use. Can I? You see, when you make a statement, don't use the N-word. You understand me? Don't say nigga. It's not appropriate to it, none at all. You understand what I say, idiot?
Yeah, that's how we speak among the peers them in the street.
Right. Me know you not say it out of meaning, but it's not appropriate.
Alright, no problem. But that's how we speak among ourselves here. But me understand you right. This year.
Right. Because in America, if you use that word to a man, it's offensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, the nigga word.
And the feel where you really would have want to go in and
right.
practice
would
not
love
to use
to hear you on. Would I love to hear you on the platform down there when you know after the political meeting down there, you know.
Yeah.
As an individual, you know. Cause your voice or that trend down there, you know. That's what I'm saying.
Come back.
Yeah, what's up?
I touch them. When I come in the general, I plan to touch them, you know. I plan to put on my green and just properly and have properly forum.
A 6 minute
and speak properly on the platform or the member of parliament, you know.
I know, man. I work my life for going now, so I'm just want to say I want to where we cut off sweet tips, because that's what for me, but so get that small sleep and jump up, but you see me? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, everything where they use, that's like you, we agree with everything where I'm just saying a while ago. Everything where I'm just saying a while ago. Apart from the nigga thing where I'm saying about, if they are foreign, you know, people they get offended, but apart from that,
if him say it among our peers.
We are that. I just talk to weep on the panel and just say a thing, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But what I saying, is that same thing they matter about the people them area. That's why some in America, my brethren, this is the welfare thing in America. That's why the black American and some of them don't like the ambitious Jamaican that come from America. Now when the man is like a man like a plank, go to buy a house and them blood clad. And then they don't like him, the black American them don't like plank. Most of them.
They're mad chromers. Me buy house to pick a foreign man. Me buy house to pick a foreign man.
Yeah?
You know, take me 3 years to get a house America, you know?
Yeah, I tell you. So through them all
Okay.
welfare system is that thing that keep is sort of a social program. Yes, they keep people on a level and dependent and them thing there. Yes, so I seen in the PNP the level, I see dirty mentality there.
Yeah,
Yes,
more
see
I
there?
hear from Willing still. Willing,
Yeah,
you come in
so I
at the
don't come for
back and
just
you know
about you.
say
Let's up
nothing and you
yourself.
come.
Like when you talk, yeah? Me I check out same time. I work me half hour too.
Yeah, man, him
Willing.
powerful,
Big
him
up all
powerful
respect, man.
too.
Big up
No, me
yourself,
hear man all
man.
the
Enough
while.
respect.
Me and him talk all the while, man. See him for
Yeah,
life all the
man.
while, man.
Natural
Powerful
respect.
voice him have, man.
Yeah, me know my man, so I big him up still 5 or 6 guys.
Yeah, man, me always listen to him, man. Me always I come
Is
out
a man
clear.
like me, you know, straightforward. The thing, you know.
Yeah, man. No care word.
All right, bless up here. Me I jump up, but work to say.
Yeah, man, big up
All
yourself
right.
when I crow.
Look come on, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
bless
God,
up.
and you put your foot them on your wheels, man. God, and then
Yeah.
you put your foot on your wheels, them, man.
Yeah, man. Bless him, man. Thanks, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
All
And
right, kid.
you did still have 3 minutes still in a chroma, so you run go. And you still have
I
3
work
minutes.
me half hour to my bedroom. I play my work, you know.
And now you're 30,
I want
you
to-
see I work.
No, 8 me start. 8, but I never played my work, my bedroom.
Okay.
I want to, you know, Crovers, you sleep out the whole night, you know, but I
No,
want
me
to, you know.
sleep. No, when you come on, you're late because we done a chat from earlier on. You come
Me
on.
know.
I lie,
Yeah,
man.
got work.
I late you come on, chroma.
Yeah, but we still chatting enough. We chatting enough before plan comes. So plan can take over. And not really, man. Not wrong. Yeah, man. We get the partner just deal with it, you know.
But you
Yeah,
know,
man.
I run the final leg.
Like a little pussy hole.
Alright,
Come
come
over
on, man.
here.
Yeah, me I go a little still.
Yeah, man. We there, all a reason. Everybody can have them crown, everybody have their life, man. When we're done, we now jump over Dujan, man, and give Dujan. Every day we support Dujan, you know. Yeah,
Gotcha.
so we